guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today I am already here at Iligan City for my vacation, and I am here at my room, the house of my aunt, and I'm trying to edit and do a couple of things here. My laptop is there and I forgot to bring my mouse, and as usual I'm not bringing my Gorilla Pod, so I'm just using my hand to vlog. So for today's video, I will just gonna show you what we did last weekend together with my friends from Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs. They conducted an outreach program that is entitled CMS, or Christmas Means Sharing. I joined them and we went to Barangay Camputhaw to donate goods to the fire victims of Barangay Camputhaw. So I'm gonna show you what we did there and see the faces of the people as we share our blessings to them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. So mission accomplished. Christmas means sharing, and we are off to our next destination. Padulong, pero I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love.